Hey guys, how you doing? This is Melvin with Nature's Green Magic. We had the pleasure of being able to come up here and use our product on some of these beautiful cars today. So we obviously had to do a video on it. So I'm going to show it to you here on this Rolls Royce. Just simply spray this product on. Use a terry towel, go over it gently to get that dirt off. And then we're going to use a microfiber to bring out that shine. Nature's Green Magic is all organic. We have no chemicals. So this is great for use on the inside of your house. If you want to do the car in the garage, you don't have to worry about anything. And with this product, not only is it good on your paint, but you can use it on the rims as well. This stuff has a carnauba wax in it, so it helps make it shine. It also has different oils from plants and trees that helps us remove the dirt without scratching any surfaces. Same process on any product that you use or on any part of your vehicle. Cotton towel first, then buff it out with the microfiber. And guys, the same thing on your windows. Great thing with the windows, it'll actually help treat it like Rain-X as well, so if you won't get any of the gassy film. And you can put it on the inside of your car as well, because it helps stop fingerprints. I'm not sure if you caught that or not. Product again is organic. You can get it on our website at naturesgreenmagic.com, and we have several different products and promotions. So feel free to contact us and we can help you with anything that you want. Thank you guys.